Hey guys, Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about copywriting rates. How much can you charge and how much should you charge depending on your level or the amount of experience you have. So I'm gonna show you how much can you charge and I'm gonna show you exactly how much could you even charge one day. I kind of lasted more time doing this video because I felt sick the whole day. I was hit sick the whole morning, ate some wings, and I just was in the bathroom. But I said that I was gonna do one video every single day for 100 days to help you guys out. So here I am. Not every day is gonna be perfect, but it's worth it at the end. So we have all been in this place. I'm gonna show you like how much to charge for, right? We have all been here. You see, I clicked the link even and it says like from $30 to $40, right? That's what a lot of people say, like you should charge like $30 per 1,000 words. It depends on your level, obviously. And also if you're focusing on your amount of words, right? So a lot of people prefer saying like, yes, I charge like for 1K of words, I can charge you $30. Even starting out, like if you haven't done anything before, you can charge $30, which is good. But obviously, if you want to go to the next level, rather than charging for hours and for amount of words, you know the power of copywriting and you know that with less words you can do even better. So the amount of words doesn't even really matter at the end. Because if you're falling into this trap, into the trap of getting paid by the amount of words and by the amount of hours you spend, you are falling into the race rat. You are falling into a normal regular job. If you have this mindset that you wanna do copywriting to be free, to have your own business, to be whatever you want, if you wanna be in the beach copywriting, you can do it. You don't fall into this trap. What I found is the trap. It's doing mostly articles or doing content writing because I've seen a lot of people that they get long-term clients and it's basically the same as being in a company, right? Because you're working for them at the hours that they tell you. Maybe not the hours specifically, but they tell you like, yes, you need to work, let's say 5, 8 hours a day, right? And you're gonna charge this for this amount. And if you stick with them, it's gonna be really hard for you to get them to pay you more, right? You need to convince them that you are worth more than 30, now you're worth 40, right? But they are not going to want you to pay more because you are their long-term client, right? So I do recommend, even though having a long-term client, obviously it's really good, and you get like friends from the clients and you get referred, still I think that the best thing you can do is being project oriented, right? So you can tell them like, okay, I can do you, let's say that you're starting out, I can do one sales funnel for from 100 to $500. Okay, so it doesn't matter where you are, it doesn't matter the amount of time. You could even spend 1 hour or you can spend 12 hours at the beginning, right? You're gonna get this amount of money and you're gonna see also the results. You're gonna see like, okay, now I have a case study, I have one funnel that worked, that did all this amazing kind of money. Okay, so be more project oriented and be specific to one niche, right? That's the best thing you could do. Then the next level, the level 2, it's where you can charge from 500 to $1,000 for one project. So if you see, I think this is way better because you could do $1,000 in one day rather than doing articles for the other people here and earning always the same for your hours. Obviously, you start stepping up and you're gonna get paid more, but I do believe this is a best way if you're looking to be free, if you're looking to get out of the working pyramid. And you can also then at level 3 charge from, okay, 1500 plus. This means you can even start charging 10k. I've seen people charging 15k, even 50 when you are really high paid. And how do you know when you can charge more, right? That's a huge question, because you think like, okay, I'm really skilled, I have all these results, right? Because here, if you do these articles, you might not have that quick direct response, right, where you can tell people like, hey, I've been doing sales funnels, I've been doing landing pages that get this amount of clicks and this amount of percentages, so you have numbers and you can know which is your level, because you need to be results oriented. That's a really huge thing, guys. Be oriented for your results. Why? Because in this way you can tell people like, if I do your copy, you can get this kind of results, right? You don't tell them like, yes, I've been doing a lot of articles for these pages and these pages and this traffic and this thing, and I have this thing. You can tell them like, look at this funnel. I made this funnel, I made this email, I made this landing page, and I made this amount of cash, right? I made this amount of results, so you can promise them some results and they are gonna want to hire you more and more. So in this way, you are oriented in what truly matters, which is results, because no one really cares if you work for 3 hours, if you do 10,000 words, or you do 1,000 words, if you give them results, the money that they want, the percentage of open rates that they want. They are not gonna care how much time you spend, as long as you give them your results. So your portfolio, everything should be oriented towards results. Another really cool thing that I saw, it's that we're going to this content marketing era, right? Where you need to give content first to people in order to sell, right? This might sound pretty obvious, but this is the future, guys. If you're not doing content oriented marketing or copywriting, where you tell stories, where you give some value to people first, you're not going to be in a good place. So start focusing on giving results, on having a portfolio of results, or having a case study, and oriented into content marketing. You could charge this to start. You can tell people like, hey, I'm starting out, I want to do a sales page, a sales funnel for $100. I'll do it just for $100, and you get it. And then next you have a study case, and then you can go for 500, 10,000, and that's pretty much the client, or the market is the one that tells you how much are you worth as a copywriter. Even though this is not true, let's say that I'm starting out, that I have like 1 year copywriting, and out of nowhere I get a client that pays me 1500. That means I'm in the third level, even though my experience is not that far, because a lot of people tell you like, yes, you need to have 1 year, 2 years, 3 years to be in this level to charge this much, but you just need results. What if I get the same amount of results in my first year and I can charge 10k? That's it. And then you can start charging 10K to other clients because they see that someone else pay you 10K. You see, this social proof thing where people like, okay, if someone else pay him 10K, if he got this amount of results, then I can do it myself also. So if you wanna have this approach, guys, because copywriting can be a freedom business, but it can also get you in the rat race without even noticing. I've noticed that a lot of people want to be copywriters and they want to earn so much, but they get stuck here. They get stuck doing articles, doing things for an hourly rate, for 1K words, and probably you can get paid more and more and more, but I truly believe that this is the freedom road to go. Be results oriented and charge for projects. You can even get paid 10K, 50K. Let's say that you have like a 10K client for a sales funnel. You're done. You're done for the month. You're done for everything. Like everything that comes next is just extra. You can even make 20,000, 50,000 for a month. That's way more than doing these articles. Obviously, don't get me wrong. If you do also some really good SEO articles, you can get paid a lot. So I'm gonna share with you also some rates that I saw. We're gonna watch it then. They're from the AYA. This is not mine. This document is not mine. I just downloaded for free in their webpage, and they'll tell you like, yeah, keyword research $500, right? Product page SEO oriented 100 to 200. So you can see people get paid a lot. The thing is, and you can see all ad text, landing page 500, articles 200 to 1000 for an article. One article, guys. How to guides, these ones are really paid. Blog posts, you can see all the prices here, but they don't tell you the levels, right? You can't just start charging like 1500, maybe 800, right? But if you don't have any results, it's not worth a dime, right? So focus on the results, focus on being that direct marketing and telling people like, hey, I can take you from this place to this place, and with time you're gonna start charging more and more, and they're gonna be happy. Why? Because you gave them results, you gave them what they wanted. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have like a clear picture now, and thanks for watching. See you back tomorrow. If you want to see more of these free videos in the future, please click down below or up above and subscribe.